Tired of spending more time configuring build tools than writing actual code? Desktop developers waste countless hours fighting platform specific quirks, wrestling with Squirrel for Windows auto updates, mangling IPC channels between main, main channels between main mourner processes, or hacking around macOS menu features. And main suggestedy were also groping important for the main channel. Let me more in the text to volumes, wrestling with Squirrel for Windows auto updates, or hacking around macOS many features face, as much as well. Desktop developers waste countless hours fighting platform-specific quirks, wrestling with Squirrel for Windows auto updates, or hacking around macOS many features face, or hacking around the many features face. Between desktop developers waste countless hours fighting platform-specific quirks or hacking around main channel more. Desktop developers waste countless hours fighting platform-specific quirks or hacking around my writing IPC hacking around macOS menu bar inconsistencies. Our Electron Desktop App Pack gives you instant access to pre-built solutions, cross-platform templates with Webpack 5 integration, auto-update handlers using Go-based updater binaries, battle-tested IPC middleware for secure inter-process communication, and native menu builders that respect OS conventions. Whether you're a cross-platform specialist, an Electron newbie, or an indie dev juggling 10 projects, this is your escape hatch. Farewell duct tape architecture. Hello actual architecture. Here's what's inside the Electron Desktop App Pack. Auto update configuration with Squirrel and EDDSA signing pipelines. IPC communication modules featuring typed message routing and error containment. Native menu integration using Electron's menu API with platform-specific accelerators. Packaging workflows with Electron Builder and notarization automation. Cross-platform templates pre-configured for Windows, macOS, and Linux targets. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your new development superpower. Installing the Electron Desktop App Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add electron-desktop-pack. That's it. It downloads the complete workflow, templates, configuration files, and secret sauce directly into your project. Your next Claude code session picks up the Electron context automatically, and your AI assistant now understands IPC debugging, update server configuration, and notarization requirements. No more guessing games. We'll leave the duct tape to actual hardware hackers. Ready to build apps that just work everywhere?